By the time the review form lands, you already know the rating. You've known for months. What stops you is the blank box underneath it, and the knowledge that whatever goes in that box gets read by the employee, read by HR, and read again in a year by somebody who wasn't there. This is the wording for that box. 189 phrases organized the way a review is actually written, by competency, and inside each competency by rating level. And they're rating locked, not warmer and cooler versions of one sentence, but structurally different language. An exceeds sentence has to show the standard moved. A needs improvement sentence has to carry a count, the date it was first raised, and one specific change. The test is simple. If a paragraph would read fine, one band up or one band down, it isn't doing its job. Under every phrase is the evidence it obliges you to produce: a count, a date, a named artifact, a downstream consequence, and where each of those usually already exists in records you keep anyway. That's deliberately uncomfortable. If you can't fill the bracket, you don't have the evidence for that sentence, and the honest move is a different phrase, not a vaguer one. One rule runs through all of it: describe the work, not the person. 6 of 214 items came back for correction. 4 of them the same error is a fact somebody can act on. Sloppy is a verdict. 24 rewrites take the sentences that get written every cycle: not a good culture fit, should speak up more in meetings, has real potential, and show you the version that survives being questioned. Then the summary paragraph. Everyone that holds up does the same 5 things in the same order. A claim about the pattern, one named piece of evidence, who else was better or worse off, the growth edge, which is there at every rating, and a commitment with a date on it, including your own part in it. 75 slot lines cover all 5 slots at all 3 ratings. The spreadsheet does the assembly. Pick a rating and 5 slot numbers from dropdowns, fill 5 short input columns, and the finished paragraph appears in the next one. A check column tells you when a bracket is still unfilled. And if you leave an input empty, the bracket deliberately stays visible because a paragraph with a silent hole in it that reported ready would be worse than no check at all. 9 competencies, 9 paragraphs, joined together at the bottom of the sheet, ready to paste into whatever form your company already uses. It opens on a complete worked review for an invented employee, so you can watch it work before you type anything. Then you edit it until it sounds like you. The structure is the part that has to survive, not the sentences. And before any of that, 9 print and fill worksheets, 1 per competency, in US letter and A4. The counts, the dates, the named artifacts to gather before you choose a phrase. If a line on that sheet stays blank, you don't have the evidence for the rating you are about to write. And it's much better to find that out now than after it's on the form. 318 written lines, 4 PDF books, 15 copy-paste text files, and a spreadsheet built from functions that have worked since Excel 2007. Files you keep. No seat, no per-employee fee, no platform that decides one day it's no longer strategic and takes your wording library with it. Wording and general management guidance, not legal or HR advice. Ardent Workshop.